20 pesos.
As we now pass the UNICEF Change for Good Initiative. Your every contribution will go to UNICEF's programs in education, health and nutrition, protection, and support in emergencies.
Kain. $120. Let's go. Spalto. Ganun po ito mo.
We are experiencing turbulence for your safety. Please remain seated with your seatbelt secured. Before standing up, close the level doors at this time.
Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandali ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Dax and First Officer Rex, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Ano ito yung sa likod niya?
Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose these in the bins that will be provided near the exit.
The seatbelt sign is on due to turbulence. We require everyone to remain seated and fasten your seatbelt securely.
Magalaw.
Guests inside the lavatories must return to their seats.